Hey y'all, this week on Atelier Design, the demolition's in full swing at the Uptown residence, and we've run into some problems with the chimney.
Yes, the chimney from below.
Oh crap. That's not good. Finding the center of the room. Because this was obviously one addition, so shouldn't the tub still align with the middle of the window? And reusing the bathtub. And you saved the tub, right?
We were using that tub?
Yeah.
It's in the yard. It's a jacuzzi tub? Yeah. That's what we took out of here.
Yeah, whatever she wants, whatever was in the primary bathroom. But Tripp and I will figure it out. At least I hope so. Good.
We're gonna close off here and create like a little mini bar.
Last week, I walked through the progress of our new primary bedroom and bath renovation.
Wow, you've already got a wall down. It's going quick. Let's see. We're gonna barrel vault the ceiling.
It's certainly gonna be a massive job.
This is gonna become the primary bathroom area.
Today, I'm in a meeting with Contractor Tripp Morris to try to solve some of the issues that have popped up since demo began.
Last time Tripp was on, first time he was ever on, he was on for like half a second, and the comment I got on the video was, "Is Tripp available? I want to set him up with my daughter."
Oh.
And of course we know he's not. He's married to one of my really good friends.
As funny as Tripp is, he's a great contractor and he's already found a big problem.
What do we got going here?
Yeah, big mess.
Oh my gosh, this is a big mess. Demo is here. Okay, so that's coming down from the attic into the living room?
Yes, the chimney from below.
Oh crap. That's not good.
Yeah.
You know I love to have things be centered in the space. My plan is to have the bathtub centered in the room, but that chimney pipe is right in the way and we can't even fit in the vanity.
I was thinking we could get it into this corner here, but
Yeah.
it would require messing up the room we just worked on.
Like the built-ins?
Yeah. I don't think I can turn that pipe below the ground and get it to that point.
Can we get it in that space though above the TV?
Well, that's where it is. I mean, it doesn't, I don't think it comes out far enough. It's hard for me to look in that hole and tell.
Okay. So the main thing is the chimney. Yeah, I mean, if we can get it in the closet, right?
Right.
So what's our dimension what's the dimension of the bathroom?
10 feet from here. This is where your wall is. So right, essentially where this wall is.
Yeah.
So we need to get this
Over.
out of the wall, pretty much where it is.
I thought some of these pipes for the chimneys, are we sure we can't size down this pipe to begin with? I guess that's not allowed. You know what I'm saying? You know how some pipes for chimneys now are...
Yeah, it might be, you can't obviously fit it in the wall, but you might be able to go from 18 to...
But doesn't that seem really big for a chimney pipe now?
It does. I don't know. It's a double insulated pipe, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, I mean, I don't want to do anything that's not safe, clearly, but it just seems bigger than most of the ones we put in now.
I don't know. I'm not comfortable making that call.
Well, no, we'd have to ask the chimney
Yeah.
person. I'm not comfortable either. Okay, oh, look, there was a window there. Wait, Tripp. I guess we don't have room. I guess, you see there was a window there.
Mm-hmm.
I guess there's no way. I guess my my alignment should be on. I was wondering if I could make these two windows work. Isn't this the center of the space? Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Here to the middle is about 6 feet. Yeah, the middle's about 6 feet.
So what's my distance? Because I was trying to get at least 3 feet for the, I need the washer and dryer. So what's the distance? Do I have 3 feet clear for a wall and a?
No. You're just doing a stack.
Yeah.
You could do, you need like 40 inches probably rough. Once we frame this, and I don't think we can make any of those decisions until all this is framed. I need to find the center. That seems like the most important thing.
Yeah, because this was obviously one addition, so shouldn't the tub still align with the middle of the window? I mean, that window, the existing, our arch?
Yeah.
That's the whole alignment.
It might. It should. If those are centered in that room.
Oh, no, this room's off center.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. That's so weird, but how is this roof line not... You see what I'm saying? Like how... If this is center... So I'm just... Because it's going to look funny if this door isn't center on the arch. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, it's because this wall is not aligned with this wall.
They're both before up here.
But we
This
might be
wall,
able to
I
cheat
think,
it.
Is
It's this the
further this
problem.
way by a couple inches here. Grab.
We did this before and it was like an inch off, but we should be able to cheat that arch.
So it's very close. I mean, it's an inch and a half.
Okay, we should not have to reframe these windows for an inch and a half. So that's amazing. So there was a window there. Yeah, because that's going to save a ton of money not to move and reframe these
Yeah, we
windows.
can leave that framing the way it is.
Yeah. And then the tub goes, because our tub is, and you save the tub, right?
We were using that tub?
Yeah.
It's in the yard. It's a jacuzzi tub?
Yeah.
That's what we took out of here. What tub?
Yeah, whatever she wants, whatever was in the primary bathroom. Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah, the one that was in there she wants.
It was built in.
Yeah, we're building this in.
Not on that plan.
Yeah,
The top.
The tub?
It's
yeah.
not. It's
The bathroom was in like an alcove around about 3 sides.
Yeah,
Is that in an alcove?
yeah. There's the tub right there.
Yeah, it's all right. By alcove, I mean wall. This has wall flanges.
Yes.
You can't. I don't think you can do it. We can try it. The tub's out there. It's just
the top.
Wait, why?
build
Why can't you use it?
because it has wall flanges. It has plastic pieces that it's intended to be screwed to a wall.
Okay, so I thought it'd be nice if y'all saw the actual plan a little bit close up and I showed you where we were going with the design. So again, here we go. We're walking through the door. Here's the primary suite where you've got your bedroom here. You walk through here, closet, and here's the bathroom with the tub, the 2 vanities, toilet room, washer and dryer, closet, and the shower. So when we were looking at different things, first I had the client send me images that she liked and I also added to it. So you can see she really likes something that's super serene and just real calming spa-like. So I took that, tried to pull together some ideas. So what we looked at is using these really beautiful roll Palladian shower pieces, tub faucet, lavatory. Looked at this really pretty visual comfort chandelier, and you can see everything's in these beautiful brass tones. And then we were thinking for the marble, we'd go with kind of this lighter colored marble and just keep it real clean. This is a sconce from Urban Electric. It won't be in black. It'll be more of a cream color with the brass. I also found these vanity legs, which I thought were really super cool. I was looking to design a vanity that maybe did something like this, where you actually had the storage with the drawers on the top and the bottom, and the legs somehow fit into it, but I've still got to work on that a bit. But I really want to use these legs because I thought they were absolutely beautiful. So that was the idea. There was a precedent image I found. This precedent image I thought was really beautiful, the way they used plaster work on the wall, because you can see it's got kind of a decorative floor and then everything else just kind of falls into place. And we are going to use a decorative floor that kind of looks like a marble. It's marble, but it looks kind of like a wood parquet, so stay tuned for that. And I thought it would just be really gorgeous to put this plaster on the wall. I think though at the end it may be quite expensive and we may just put a beautiful piece of artwork over the tub. because as you can see, when I go to our bath views, you can see here's that idea, right, where we've got the two vanities flanking the door. The door will have paneling. There's those sconces that I think are so pretty. And then here's my idea for the vanities themselves that are kind of freestanding pieces. And we're going to put this wainscot of a marble slab here, and then we're using this detailing of this panel molding around it as well. And then here's looking at the tub, and this is where I thought maybe we could use the plaster, but I'm thinking instead we're going to use maybe just a pretty piece of artwork. And you can see here's those windows, which if we can leave those windows in place would be so super exciting and save a lot of money. And then the idea is that tub, that existing tub, is a drop-in tub. So we'll drop in the tub and then we'll create this really beautiful marble surround around it. So that's the idea of trying to reuse the existing tub. Not sure that that's happening though, because it seems to me that they may have been a little too rough with it getting out, which is unfortunate because it's a nice tub. Here's a little bit of the idea for the floors, which are right here, which you can see it's a really pretty marble. It's two different types of marble. One of the marble is finished differently, and so it creates this really rich parquet sort of finish that the client really, really loves. And then here's a marble slab that we looked at, and the other option was to go something more like this that was a little less geometric, but the client really loved the idea of this marble that looked like an old parquet floor. We're also going to be pulling out the carpet and doing new wood floors there, so that'll be really a good upgrade to move from the wall-to-wall carpet to the wood floors. So anyway, that's the design idea for the primary suite.
That it's intended to be screwed to a wall.
So we can't build a stud wall, and the wall has to be tall?
The wall has to be taller than the top of the tub.
Right, because it's an undermount, but how much taller? Can't we just mitigate that with stone?
I guess we can cut it off if that's what she wants.
The issue with the tub is typical of the problems that can pop up during a renovation, but Tripp and I are well on our way to getting everything worked out. In part 2, we'll take a look at the reconfigured guest room and bathroom and deal with the possibility of moving the ductwork. Thanks for watching.